Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to turn anything into realistic metal art in Adobe Photoshop. Like this. Okay, here we are in Photoshop. Let's create a new document with a width of 2000 pixels, a height of 2000 pixels, a resolution of 300 dpi, a color mode of RGB, and a background color of black.
And create.
First we need a logo, so I already downloaded this Amazon logo. Just drag it here. Select the logo layer, right-click on it, and just convert it into the Smart Object. Rename it Logo. Now let's apply some effect on this. Just go to the Layer, Layer Style, Bevel and Emboss. Now this dialog box appears here. Apply these values, like Style, Outer Bevel, Technique, Smooth, Depth, 1000%, Direction, Upside, Size, 20 pixels, Soften, 15 pixels, Shading angles, 50 degrees, altitude, 15 degrees, highlight mode, opacity, 100%, shadow mode, 100%, and hit OK. Now see, our logo is already giving a 3D look. Select the logo layer and set the fill value to 0%, and make a copy of the logo layer. Double-click on the bevel and emboss effect and change some values like this. Style, Emboss, Technique, Smooth, Depth, 1000%, Direction, Downside, Size, 10 pixels, Soften, 15 pixels, Shading angles should be the same. Gloss Contour, choose this second curve option. Highlight mode, same, Shadow mode, same, and hit OK. Now our logo has a metallic look. Select the logo layer and make another copy of it. Double-click on the bevel and emboss effect. Now turn off this effect and turn on the inner glow effect. Again, change some values, like blend mode, screen opacity, 100%, set color, white, technique, softer, source, center, choke, 0, size, 25 pixels, range, 100%, and hit OK. Now our 3D logo is ready. Select all layers, make a group of these, and rename it Metal Logo. Now apply some texture on this. Go to the file, place Embedded, select the texture, place it, select the texture, make a clipping mask on the metal logo group, and change the blend mode from normal to darker, like this. Double-click on the texture layer and open the Blend If option. Now move the slider of the underlying layer. Hold Alt and drag the slider to break the slider, and hit OK. Here you can see before and after. Now apply the second texture. Select the texture and make a clipping mask. Change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Open the Blend If option, hold Alt, and drag the slider left side. You can adjust it according to your preference. Hit OK. It will give this logo a more metallic look like this. Now apply the last texture. Select the texture and make a clipping mask. Change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Open the Blend If option. Drag the slider to the left side and hit OK. Now select all textures and manage the opacity and fill values according to your preference. It will give this logo a more realistic metallic look like this. Here we are done. Now if you want to change the logo, just double-click on the logo layer and it will open in a new document because it is a smart object. Now, import another logo like this. Hide the Amazon logo and save the Twitter logo document. After saving this, your Twitter logo will automatically be converted into the metallic logo like this. You can add any brand logo or type here. Anything will be converted into the metallic art. You can also add text there. Just double-click on the logo layer, hide the Twitter logo, and simply add the text. Adjust it and save it. After saving the document, your text will automatically be converted into the metallic text, like this. Here we are done. Turn anything into realistic metal art in Adobe Photoshop.